All right. Bo Part 4. New Year's Day. In an attempt to make him seem more animated, oh, he's stretched. I have put him in negative mode. Kind of freaky. Oh, he breathes. Yes. Bo. That's good. Yes, he's responding. Bo. Bo. There you go. Oh. Oh, no. I wonder. Oh, no, I cannot switch out of this negative mode. Whoa. And he's moving. He was. Yeah. Bo. Hey, big guy. Bo. Oh, look at that. Raw. There you are. Hey, look at there. Oh, what's up? What's up? Is that wheezing? You tired? You got a cold? You got a cold in the nose? All right. You shake for me? Oh, yeah. Can't really tell, huh? No, poor guy. Oh, that's my foot. That's all right. Pew, what did you do? Bo, bo, bo. All right. This is like part 4 or 3.5. We'll do another installment out of this mode. Until then, this has been Bo on New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, everybody.